Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over the highly requested tutorial of how to fold up your Louis Vuitton boxes. Whether you need them smaller for travel, storage, or shipping, I'm going to show you how to take them from this to this. Now what a lot of people don't realize is these little guys have a super easy way of folding down nice and compact, and it's built right into them, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now I'm not sure if this applies to the older version with the dark brown boxes, but I do know that with all of these larger orange boxes, no matter what size you have, it does fold down the exact same way. So this is how you do it. So you're just going to take your box here, open it up where the magnetic opening is, and flip that completely up like this. And then inside you're going to see two purple pull tabs. Now a lot of people don't know what these are for, but they are to break down the box. So you're just going to grab it here and pull down and then up. And that's going to flip that one up. And you're going to do the same for the bottom one. This one you're going to pull up and out. So right now your box will look like this. And then you're just going to pull it back until it's completely flat like this. It's kind of like a weird pop-up book. And then these pieces can actually fold down again in on themselves like that. And since you already have this piece folded back, that is going to be as flat as it'll go. Just like that. So once you have it folded down like this, you can put it in your suitcase if you're needing to travel with it, or put it away for storage so it'll store nice and compact. And if you need to make it back into a box again, it's just as easy as when you folded it down. So you're going to just pull these center ones in until you pull them up. You're going to tuck those in. And right down here, make sure that the little tabs slide into the slots, and then you can close it right back up. And there is no damage or anything to it, so you are ready to go again. And that wraps up this tutorial on how to make your Louis Vuitton box nice and compact for travel or storage. If you did like this video and you want to see more like this, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button to make sure that you're notified whenever I make new videos, which is all the time. If you have any questions or you want to see any other kinds of tutorials, let me know in the comments section down below. And until next time, thanks for stopping by.